What's up, YouTube for the night, Wednesday night. Happy Wednesday to everyone. How you guys doing? As you can see from right now, right here, and basically what I'm doing is I did take off a trade, a very high hyper scalp to be honest, of the 1 hour time frame. This is the daily pair we get. Okay, the 1 hour it does reject off with a pair we get. That's why it quite concerned me that the price, the moment the price just closed below here, so despite of how I want to see it continuing bullish is to see another 1 hour fair value gap. But after the daily fair value gap sting of the 1 hour, we do see a potential reversal right here. And I did do a quick scalp of this fair value area from of the 15 minutes right here. The moment the price breaks above this high, then I get into the entry. And currently, this is my break even point. This high, and currently I am risk free for the trade. So whether to see the price taken out this liquidity equal high right here, which is not being taken out on the during a London session, unfortunately. But I will, in a short while, I will do a trade breakdown on the trade that I've taken. It's a pre-London session, so I will let you guys know my thought process. Even though it is a very risky trade, yes, I know overall it's a downtrend, but why am I longing? I will explain in a bit to every one of you. So let's touch on a bit on the news. So far on a Wednesday, there is no US, no news from US, right? And I mean the red folder news, of course. But we do have the New Zealand dollar against the against the US dollar. And do a quick breakdown, see how price goes. Okay. On a Sunday, there is a daily fair value gap off here. But despite how this candle closed, I wouldn't want to see the price could just retrace all the way up here instead of taking out this liquidity first, which means our buyer is still right, but the price just didn't have a chance to go into it. Did the price respected of any 1 hour video raise? Yes, of course. The price did sting in a sweep, a sting in, a break below of the sting, and then retest and to then continue lower, leaving with a following with a BPR right here, a very beautiful one. Even though the retrace is a bit hectic over here, but eventually the protected high is still appeared. So this is how the price just take out in the morning right here. The moment the cash rate, I think it's a cash rate, right? Yeah, the official cash rate announced earlier this morning. It shows that the price could just continue dumping lower, which is bad for New Zealand dollar. Yes, and despite how currently New Zealand dollar cut its rate for after a period of time, yes, it will just continue weakening, but I would see the next round liquidity definitely is here. Coming back on the gold itself. Okay, so for gold, let me do a top-down analysis for it during on the during on in the morning. Okay, so at first, after a daily fair value gap sting in, it does rejected off. Let me show you guys. This is what the respecting candle I wanted to see, which is the price sting into it and leave with a huge momentum off from this daily. So the next thing I wanted to see is the price respected off from the 1 hour time frame, leaving with a fair value gap of the daily fair value gap. So from here, a sting in and leave with a 1 hour fair value gap right here. These are what I want to see. Okay, so from this 1 hour fair value gap, right? Okay, too bad. The moment it's still in the Asia section. So I assume this low is not the real low that it could just continuing pump higher. It would just being taken out as a Asian low. So I would say it's a Southside equity. Okay, so but eventually I still managed to take a trade long off here, because what I wanted to see is the moment after staying in this 1 hour fair value gap, right? I want to see a fair value gap out with a strong momentum. Okay, example like this. The price did have a fair value gap off here from the 5-minute time frame. A fair value gap out. Okay, at first my thoughts were the price having this bearish momentum, this bearish order flow, it does look clean, but eventually the price decide to disrespect. So the next thing, I want to see the price to break off this high first. Okay, after this huge momentum pump, we do have this 5-minute fair value gap. So okay, now I see. I wanted price to sting back into it to then continuing long higher. I didn't set the limit at first because it was a risky trade, because my overall bias is still a bearish side. Okay, next, on the 1 minute, then I executed. I executed off the sting in and rejected off with a bullish side, which closed above the previous high. Eventually, it is but I just entered anyway. Okay, the price even okay, the price that I set the TP was 2426. Yes, I know it doesn't tap, but due to I accounted for the spread, I did set my TP at 24.20. This is the reason why we need to account spread. No matter what broker that you are in, or you are in different brokers from us. Okay, if you guys don't have an account, you need an account to trade off, please feel free to telegram us at the link down below description. Okay, so after closing the candle right here, I straight away market enter with at this level, and eventually the price just continuing pumping higher towards the draw on liquidity up here at 2420. Okay, eventually I hit a TP. Very well done to whoever who followed the trade. Okay. This is the reason why we don't want you to be I would say the signal follower. I wanted you to able to understand the price action, trade your strategy, trade your plan, and you can be a very individual trader and a very independent one. So price is currently hovering around this area. Let me check on the 50-minute. Is there any like draw on liquidity? Okay, the price staying in, but it doesn't push off higher. It is a very crucial one. There is a 5-minute fair value gap resting right below here. Okay. Too bad this part we didn't manage to have a 50-minute fair value gap. That is a bit too bad for us, but anyway, my break even point at 18.97. Okay, let's see if we can get it, we can survive it. Unfortunately, no, not really. But it's okay. We get our TP half and break even point right here, which is at 1 to 1. 1 to 1. Yeah, about there. So since it's 8:30, okay, let's do a reanalyze on the market. So if price is currently doing not even trading the direction, this seems equal high to me. I'll show you guys my thought process in a bit. Okay, the price is still in the huge range from the 1 hour time frame. Let's see on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, the previous 4 hour candle high has been taken out. So currently we are stuck in this range that we wanted to see either price continue off here, continuing higher, or continuing lower, take out this low and eventually going lower and this to disrespect this daily fair gap. But despite how this how the current price action is a bit lethargic in my opinion, that it doesn't like the, like, of course not like the CPI rejected or something like this. But if you want to take a short orders, I wouldn't mind to short off from here at this 4 hour fair value area. This is the 4 hour fair value area. What I wanted to see is the price do something like this. A sting into it, a 15-minute a sting into it, leaving with a 15-minute clean BPR, then continuing lower, take out this low. Okay, let me check on DXY if I am missing anything. Okay, despite how this weekly candle closed previous week, right, it is very crucial that price is currently in a monthly fair value gap. Either the price could just continuing bearish respected the monthly fair value gap, but it is still the early of the month. It is the moment the price close inside it in, is it from the monthly time frame? Okay, the price is still in the monthly fair value gap. Okay, just let it run because the bottom week is not and any sell side from the monthly is not been taken out yet. Now we check on the monthly fair value gap. The price did not just, if this close with a weekly weekly fair value gap, right, it could just continuing higher. Okay, this is my opinion. And despite you guys see on the daily time frame of the daily fair value gap, the price did respected and rejected off. So the next draw liquidity target definitely is this high. to get disrespected on the bearish idea. So if the price just break above it and retest, it will just continue going higher. So bullish on the dollar, it should looks better. So I am definitely bearish on the majors, of course. So from here, as we can see right here, as I mentioned earlier, this liquidity as the equal high, I would like to see a price just out this and sting into the 4-hour fair value gap, the fair value area, mind me, and just rejected off accordingly. So let's see if the price, because currently we are actually stuck in a PD array, like at a equilibrium price. That's why the price does consolidation for a bit. Okay, start between which PD array? From 4-hour PD arrays and the daily PD arrays. So within this range is a bit high risk to whoever did not have enough experience, okay, or you don't have enough data to trade off. It could cost quite a bit, to be honest. Okay, so whoever trying to trade in this range, please risk lesser. And coming up next on the Friday, we do have a PPI incoming, so we wouldn't want to take the risk on PPI as well. So I would take a skip, but we will just keep you updated if there is any potential trade idea, of course. Okay, 50-minute. It does looks like the price wanted to push off lower, but currently it does looks like previously respecting the bullish order flow currently and disrespect again. This is why within this range we don't really take that much of risk. Even for me myself, I even risk about 0.25. Yeah, 0.25 risk I taken on it. Okay, 8:30 is coming. Let's see, is there any potential trades that we can take off? The price currently wanted to break off this low and close below it. What I wanted to see is a continuation downwards right here. So let's see on a 5-minute if we can get any chance, by any chance we can get a trade something like this. A protected high. This high, was it taken out? No, this is the true. Okay, let's see. Let us set an alert right here. Potential short trade. CPI by these few days? I think it's yes. Ah, yeah. CPI was tomorrow. So yesterday was the one that we don't have any news occurs. I always thought that CPI is on the Wednesday, but my bad, it's okay. So we are preparing for tomorrow's CPI. It's a little bit, CPI is a no trade day for us, to be honest, because remember the big three that I always mention. The big three is the ones that we want to avoid, where it will invalidated, even though our bias is right, it will just invalidated our trade setup. Okay, so from the 5 minute time frame, the price just didn't come back to fill the fair value gap, but it just shot off eventually. But let's see, who knows, it could just climbing back up a little bit, lasting in, then the huge dump to continuing lower. It's hard to say. Let's see, let's mark it out here first. I'm going toilet for a while and I'll be right back. Back. Okay, the 5 minute candle has closed below right here. We have our confirmation that the price is going to continuing going lower. But where do we get our entry from? Definitely is not here. Let's see, is there any opportunity for us or not? This area should be okay. Or standard deviation. This area. It's nice as well. Okay, let me check on the yens. Seems like it's been a while I didn't trade yens. Okay, it seems the all the draw liquidity mark. Okay, a break, a break. Draw liquidity, is this tap yet? No, I don't think so, but it seems like it was just continuing pumping higher as how I drew right here from the 4-hour time frame. The fair value area is respected, very nice. So the next draw liquidity definitely is this high, then eventually is this high. But within this range is a low resistant liquidity run. We're just continuing pumping higher. Let's see, we have by any chance that we can get on the train, the bullish train, a BPR right here. Eventually a price just broke here and continuing higher. Could it be any chance that price just coming back to get us up on the train, doing something like this high? It could be nice. Let's see. Discount area. But is it, oh, now this is interesting. It seems like from the 5-minute, it does looks like a break, but the 50-minute is just end up with a wick. So now let's see. Seems like the price is going to the 50-minute, the 5-minute fair value gap. Do we want to set an alert for this? Let's say one-hour time frame price then close above. Let's see. The 5-minute still didn't tap, but the liquidity run from here, it does looks like it want to come back to its 5-minute premium areas. this is nice. If the price just break right here, close below here, potentially could just take off something like this, a retest, excuse me, a break below, a retest, and continuing lower. Let's see if the price just respecting of any of these PD arrays. Hmm. The 15 minutes so far, it still seems like a sweep. Around 1 more minute, then we can see the price whether it's a sweep. Okay, it does looks like a sweep to us. It does looks like a sweep. Let me check on the daily candle. That looks like want to think back into the area, respecting ones on 15th. see right here. Let's have a look. Euro side. Wow, doesn't look that clean either. From 1 hour time frame, it doesn't look clean for the past 2 days as well, because maybe lack of news volatilities. So it just consolidation. Can't really see a really nice ones. GU, as we can see, the past 2 days is absolute ranging. New Zealand, I did touch on earlier. The US dollar against the Canadians, the major draw on liquidity has been taken yesterday. Okay, the price didn't come back to a daily fair value gap to continuing higher, but it's okay. All the lower time frame, 1 hour, 4 hour are respected, which is a good sign of continuing bullish. For the US dollar against the yens, yes, of course, it's definitely still bullish, no doubts. Okay, let's see on this. Okay, it does respected off because where the price, where the candle here, it's just a sweep. It doesn't close below here, so potentially it could just reverse and take out the previous high right here. This is my thought process. If I will just react according what price want me to see, okay, and I just react accordingly. Even though this 5 minute has closed below, it does looks like a potential short off, but despite how the candle, I zoom out again from the higher time frame, I do see a sweep instead of a break. So now let's see, of this 50 minute, is there any possibility that this low will be a new protected low? This low, protected low, and reacted off with a PPR. Very nicely done. And this will be the new fair value area, where price could just come back into it here, come back into it, and continuing higher off here, something like this. Could it be this potential, or this range will be just invalidated, this protected low, and we just move on until CPI is over. Okay, unfortunately, this 5-minute fair value gap did not happen. The bearish momentum of here is still quite strong.
Hey Brian, what's up?
Hey, what's up? What's up? Let me do a quick realignment on my cams.
I just realized how laggy it is for
Okay,
YouTube.
is it very laggy?
Yeah, it's like a good 10 seconds lag.
Good 10-second lags. I think that's the delay instead of like uh lagging though. I think that's the delay.
Mm. But this range I can easily play the support resistance, yeah.
Yeah, but because I don't really trade that, so I just didn't implement to them as
Yeah,
well. So
yeah, true,
yeah.
true. Let's see if the daily fair value gap will hold.
Yeah. No matter what, the daily fair value gap from here is still very strong. Off following with the 1 hour fair value gap respected off right here, and a swing failure for us. Like right here. I don't know if there is a SMT or what they call XAG USD. Let me check
Hey, is it
this
possible
full
to share your screen here in Discord also?
but share my screen on
Oh,
what?
possible.
Because the
Not,
whole
not sure.
alignment, my picture will be very small. So let me check if I can
Okay.
share or not. Can see? Let me check.
Uh,
Yeah, because my oh yeah, I can't share because if not my cam will be off.
okay, okay.
Okay. Is this a SMP? No. Okay. XAG. It seems like the same. Hmm, but it's okay. Just let it run to have more confirmations.
That one we need to check back already.
Which one?
The silver and gold.
Uh-huh.
See how SMT they are.
But can I do a dual screen? I don't know
You can
if
try.
I don't know if I can do it. Let me check. Uh, 5 mini BPR of a 15-minute sweep. 1 mini BPR of a 15-minute sweep. Okay, that's interesting.
It's very tempting to long
Do under risk for this lah if you want to long it.
Wow, I don't know, man. Technically, I'm already up for the day, so
Yeah, just
don't know if I
chill
want
lah.
to do it.
Because since it's a pre-CPI day, we don't actually trade pre-CPI day or CPI on the day as well. Probably I tomorrow will not be streaming because pre and post CPI is not my thing. But
Yep.
let's see how lah.
Looks like a 1 minute ascending triangle.
Ooh. The stinging of
Oh,
and the dump is a bit mad though.
yes, yeah. Oh, ascending triangle. Woo! Let's go.
From where?
1 minute. Draw a resistance and then trend line ascending triangle.
Yeah, I don't know will it be the swing failure for this or not this high.
Let's see. Yeah, let's see if this premium will hold.
But I think based on this momentum, I don't think it will just it is a confirm break. It is a confirm break right here.
Hmm.
Maybe this draw liquidity definitely will be taken out.
Yeah, probably. Oh, would
Let's
have been a sexy trade, man. This one.
Yep. I do the risk for this trade lah. I took
Oh, you long
very
ah?
very small. Ah yeah, I long 0.1 against
Nice. I see.
nah 0.1 only. Definitely is very risky to trade long off here lah because I see after this break the price failed to continue break, but this does shit me for a bit, like how respecting this candle is, but eventually my stop loss is here, and I risk 0.1%. Then yeah, I'm cool.
Ah, I see. Yeah, fair,
Zero,
fair.
yeah, 0.1 is yeah, nothing lah to be
Yeah.
honest.
Now is a 1 minute unicorn already.
Okay.
Unicorn pump. I missed it.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, damn. Oh. Bro, it took like 10 seconds for me to open up my phone app, man. Then it pump, you know.
What phone you using? But it's
Ah, poor
okay.
man, poor
You
man.
you
Oppo
still have you still
Oppo
have
only.
No lah. You still have chance though.
Hmm. Yeah, I try me not.
You try min lot lah.
Yeah, me not tight as well.
Tight ah.
Yeah, just below the BB only.
Below the BB? You mean
Yeah,
at
just BB. Yeah.
1796?
2617, 1 minute BB.
Mini BB ah.
Yeah, 2617.72.
Wow, a bit risky though.
Yeah, lah, this is a risky trade, so I just wet 1 minute lot try. You cannot decide where he wants to go.
Yeah, just leave it bah. From 5 minutes, it seems like still breaking because there is
Mm.
a 5 minute BPR opposing as well.
Yep, it's fighting.
Seems like the bearish side is also strong.
Yep. Okay, this is the last defending 1 minute fair value gap.
If not, it just continuing going lower to break this
Uh,
protected low. The sting in of the 5 minute fair value gap is looks nice though.
yes, yeah. It's a good shot lah if for those who shorted.
Hmm.
Ooh, the pump.
Fucking mad bro.
Yes, yeah. Mm. I think the daily FEG is cooking already.
Is it?
Yeah, I mean the day is ending soon, so
Wow, if like this, then it will just stuck in between the daily fair value gap and the bearish daily fair value gap, which is
yeah,
I don't really wish to see.
it's gonna rage again like hell.
Maybe after CPI or PPI already.
Probably. Let's see which direction it goes. Okay, I'm out. I don't like how this looks.
Mm.
Okay lah, I'm done for the day. 18% lah.
Okay, nice. Did you able to like hear yourself from YouTube as well?
Oh yeah, it's like delay like 10 seconds delay That's why I just like mute.
Uh,
Yeah.
Definitely there is a delay one. So yeah, no worries.
Yep. Go take out the protector logo.
Mm. Let's see how far it can go.
Mm.
Potentially this low? 0.9? Maybe.
Lie down.
Is it a dump? Or a pump?
Okay, almost. It just gotta fill up the gap. Then dump again. I think. Gonna look at other currency. Oh, odd USD look very nice.
Seriously? Just now I see it's still
Oh, I mean before. But it
ah
passed already. Touche. Okay lah, all USD still within the daily order block but below there's a fair value gap, so maybe you will dump through. That's the fair value gap below on the daily. So I was thinking perhaps we can look for a continuation sell all the way to the daily fair value gap.
all the way to continuation sell to the daily fair value gap.
Yep.
Wasn't the daily fair value gap has been tapped?
Um,
It's tapped and rejected off
Not
from yesterday.
really. Not on mine.
Seriously, it's quite big though. It's almost 50% of the daily fair value gap and rejected off.
Yeah. Let me show you the. It's below the order block. Current order block. Okay, let me snip you. Alright, here you go.
Let me check.
Yeah.
Uh, okay. You sure this is the daily fair value gap?
Yes, it's in daily.
What price is it? What's the price? Can you shoot like
0.66919 onwards.
0 point eh?
66919.
Come again? 0
0.66919.
0.66. Oh, you mean the odd? I thought the gold. Okay, 0.66
USD, yeah. 0.66919. Odd
919.
USD. Odd USD. Mm.
I think that uh, I think for me it's actually just open low below here and tap into it.
Um, we're looking for buys here lah. Then we will see confirmation. I think it's gonna reject off on the fair value gap lah. Not sure. Seems like it's dumping towards. Okay, now it's sweeping the 15 minutes low. Sweep already.
Odd.
Yeah, odd USD.
Okay.
The low.
Yeah, it seems like good to continuing short of.
Yeah. Uh, entry on the 15-minute fair value gap would have been nice. Wow, the diary is really real here.
It's quite, yeah, it's a bit, yeah, it's quite real.
Dead.
I think it should just continuing lower. Gold as
Yeah.
well. Maybe the initial
Unless
drawn liquidity maybe will take up today's low at
true.
0921.
0921. Where is it?
260921 on gold.
Yeah, I think it will also.
This drawn liquidity right here.
Mm. Ramat on YouTube.
Seriously? Well, I can't see
Yeah.
my own YouTube.
Oh, no wonder you didn't reply.
Yeah, that's why I need a mod because I don't have a dual screen. I can't do, because
I
if I
see.
switch, I don't know, my stream will lag or not. I also don't know. You know, try a bit, because if not, the whole stream end again. Then I need to restart the whole stream. That I don't wish to.
I see. I see. Do you have an iPad?
iPad. iPad. iPad I have, but currently my iPad is not with me.
Ah, okay, okay. It's possible. I tried before the Oppo Pad. Yeah, we tried to do a screen with it before. It works.
Oppo Pads.
Yeah.
Mm,
Okay, I'm gonna set an alert on odd USD.
you want it?
Yeah, 66918. I'm gonna
Six
set alert.
eight nine one eight. Eh?
Yeah, 66918.
669186.
Yep, on odd USD.
Okay.
That's the fair value gap.
The daily fair
So
value
if you
gap is
reach
it?
there, correct. If you reach there, I'm gonna look for buys on confirmation by 5 minutes or 15 minutes.
It's a bit far. Maybe by the
Yeah,
time we end stream as well already.
yep.
But my bias is short, no doubt on it.
Okay.
Definitely is a short for me on the majors.
Mm. But hey, by the time you reach there, we sleep already.
Yeah. So can't be bothered on it. But the 5 minute on go is actually quite nice. 5 minute sweep, sting into the 5 minute BPR, and continue lower. It's nice.
5 minutes sweep.
Hmm. Can look from the stream maybe in a bit. Despite how this expansion candle off, this should be a full TP on it.
Mm.
On these shots. It's almost 9:30. I probably ending the stream very soon.
Mm. You know what, Ryan? Just for fun,
Hmm.
let's take a look at Bitcoin.
Oh, Bitcoin.
Just for fun, yeah.
Can. So for Bitcoin, right? Check
Looking
the
for.
daily. Yes, currently is in the daily fair value gap. I wanted to see a 1 hour BPR respected off, but seems like coming back into the daily fair value gap range again. So wonder this low, there is a daily fair value gap of a daily fair value gap right here. I don't know if sting already or not. Yeah, I don't think it's sting. Yeah, it's not sting. So there is a daily fair value gap below right here. After the sting in this daily fair value gap, I want to see BPR forming something like this. One dry, two, a break above, coming back, take out the highs again. But this
Yeah.
candle no doubt on respecting to another daily fair value gap. So if the price coming back here, I believe within this range, it could just ranging for quite a while because
Yep.
there is a conflict of PDRs stuck in an equilibrium price until big news that push the price continuing higher. But my no doubt, I definitely still bullish on it because the order flow from here is all bullish on the Bitcoin.
Mm. Yeah, I'm gonna wait until like it taps around 61559 for long lah.
Yeah.
At least 61559. That is a 1 hour order block.
1 hour order blocks on Bitcoin.
Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin.
1 hour order blocks on Bitcoin. Let me check.
Yep, I marked that out lah. So
Your order block, where is it? How you identify your
one
order blocks?
hour 61565
Five
onwards.
six 565. Oh, you mean the whole candle, is it?
Yep, correct. The whole red
Including the
candle.
wick down to 6784.
Yes.
Oh, that one.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, it could just potential respecting of there.
Mm. But of course, after 1 minute confirmation lah.
Mm. Yeah, that's fine as well. 1 minute confirmation, you mean?
Yep. After it sticks into the 1 hour order block, then 1 minute confirmation.
1 hour order block confirmation of the 1 minute is a bit, yeah,
Risky, yeah.
a bit risky because 1 hour of 1 minute is a bit iffy. Like the structure, you can't really see is it real or not. Is it rejected off?
Oh, I mean 1 minute bullish fair value gap lah if it
Mm.
forms lah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Looking at USD CHF USD CHF seems to respect the swing point on the daily, right? Then it starts to push up.
USD CHF.
USD CHF, yeah.
Oh, it doesn't have in my list. USD CHF.
Yep, USD CHF.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so what it seems like, right, is that you expect the swing point, right, from the daily, then goes up to, then you go to 4 hour, right? Then there's a 4 hour fair value gap. Bullish one,
Currently is in a weekly 4 hour. Yeah, that's valid as well if it does thing into the 4 hour BPR to take off towards the swing point. Yeah, that's valid as well. Like from here, sting into this line, targeting this high or
Yeah,
this high as well is also fine. Yeah, it's totally valid for me because despite how the price right here consolidation, a manipulation into it, a distribution out, maybe it could just distributing higher.
yeah. I have a feeling that in a while it's gonna have a failure swing high, lah. Then you will dump to the power fair value gap, lor. Then
mm,
take off again.
yeah, both are fine. All right, it's about 9:30 right now. I'm gonna end stream very soon.
Yep.
I'll see you guys maybe on Sunday. I'll not be able to stream. Maybe Lawrence, he will be streaming on tomorrow and CPI day. Hope everyone trades safe and risk less on CPI day, of course. All right. See you guys. Bye.
All right, bye guys.
Bye. Bye. Bye.